What are first earlies, second earlies and main crop potatoes? That is the question that I get asked a lot. What is the difference between them? So welcome to Gardening with Ben, and in today's video we're going to be explaining what first earlies, second earlies and main crop potatoes are, and what the difference is between them all and why they're called that type of potatoes. So the reason why they call that type of potatoes is because they take longer to grow at different rates and produce different types of crops. So first earlies are usually ready between 10 to 12 weeks once they've been planted outside, and that's if you've chitted them first. They might be a bit faster in growing. If you've not watched our video on what chitting means, make sure you have a look at that and see what chitting is. Why should you grow first early potatoes? Because they're the first potatoes of the year. First earlies are usually small, they've got tender skins, and they're great to be boiled or steamed. And they're quick to grow, less risk from blight, and they're ideal for small spaces, so they're great to be grown in pots and containers as well. The only issue is that they don't store very well. The examples of first early potatoes are Rocket, Swift, Pentillant Javelin. That's the varieties of first early potatoes. So next up is second early potatoes, and these are usually ready between 13 to 15 weeks. You plant them between March and April, and they're usually ready to harvest around July time. The way I usually realise how potatoes are ready to be harvested is that the plant has died back on top. That's usually when they're ready to be harvested. So I know people always like to say, oh, are they ready yet? Are they ready yet? But just wait until the plant dies off, and that's when I usually know that they're ready to be harvested. They will store well in the ground as well, so just usually let the plant die back, and then you know that they're ready for harvest. Why should we grow second early potatoes? They're slightly bigger than the first earlies, so you get more from the potato, and they're still usually fairly quick to crop. They're good all-rounder potatoes, and yeah, the only issue is that they're still not long-term storage potatoes, so they don't store too long. So yeah, you've got to eat them pretty fast. The varieties of second earlies that you can usually grow are Charlotte, Maris Piper, Pear and Jazzy. So that's Charlotte, Maris Pear and Jazzy. I'll be growing Charlotte and Jazzy this year. Those are two potatoes that I will be definitely growing this year because they're absolutely gorgeous potatoes. I'll put links below for you to see which varieties I'm growing. And last up is main crop potatoes. These are late potatoes. So this is probably one of the most what a lot of people will tend to be growing as well. These take between 18 to 22 weeks, so they're a long time growing. So this will use up one of your beds probably for the whole growing season down at the allotment. So these are large potatoes, usually great sized potatoes, and they're ideal and best for storage. These are usually ready to harvest between August and October, and you plant them around April time. They produce high yields, you can store them for months, and they're perfect for winter potatoes as well, like Christmas potatoes if you're growing Christmas potatoes like I do. The only issues with is that they're longer in the ground, so make sure that you've got a bed dedicated to growing them, and they've got a higher risk of blight getting to them, so just watch out for that as well. The examples of main crop potatoes are Maris Piper, King Edward and Desiree potatoes. I will be growing the Maris Piper. That is my main crop potato that I'm growing this year. So yeah, that is the difference between first earlies, second earlies and main crop potatoes. I hope you found that useful, and I hope that's helped you realise the difference between them all. So they're all ready at different stages. So I usually get one of each so that you're harvesting them all summer, and you've got plenty to keep you going throughout the summer period and into winter as well. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed that. Make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our videos, and we'll show you us chitting our potatoes, getting them all ready for the growing season. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.